How to redeem Emagine Rewards. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and search for Emagine. Then click on this website, which is imagineentertainment.com. Emagine Rewards has been designed as the best incentive program in the industry. It is available to all guests 13 years and older and at no cost. The guest can enroll in Emagine Loyalty and earn 1 point for every $1 spent at Emagine. They also offer the Emagine Extras for $12.75 per year, where you can earn points faster, receive a free ticket on your birthday, save on concessions during each visit, and more. If you want to redeem your Emagine Rewards, then all you want to do is log into your account. Once you have been logged in, you want to select your showtime and seats. Go ahead and select your theater, then select your date. Now, select whichever movie that you want, then tap on the See Showtimes option. Now, from here, select your showtime, then make your way to the payment page. After you have selected your seats, tap on Reserve and Checkout option. Now over here, if you have a free reward available and the movie is pass eligible, then the reward will pop up on the right hand side of the screen. You will need to hit the apply button. Once you do, your rewards will be redeemed. Remember that your reward points earned will expire after 6 months, so be sure to use it before 6 months. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.